So, I've not done much this morning, I really haven't. I've just watched a load of YouTube videos, like Peter McKinnon and stuff, catching up on some of them. But new videos coming out soon, as well as the vlog. He wants to say hello. New videos coming out soon. New videos, should I say. I've got a lot of videos planned for this next week. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm gonna have some dinner. Then I'm gonna go for. And then I'm gonna go watch this. And then we're gonna go for a walk. Oh, don't stop crying now. Don't stop crying. No. You wanna go for? We'll go for walkies later, yeah? We go for after dinner. After dinner we'll go. Okay? Yes. Yes. I love you too. But anyway, yeah, I'm working tonight, so God knows. Recently, I've been listening to Jesus. I was gonna take Aubrey for a walk. Well, that's not happening anymore. He doesn't like the rain. So I've been listening to Logic. You won't like it, Aubrey. I've been listening to Logic and I found his old songs, and boy, are those old songs fucking good. Here's a little preview.
Alright. Seen a lot of shit. Yeah. Seen a lot of shit. I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see a white boy, but my daddy a
They busted out the old. We never got to use these. We're in the Sony UWP D11 wireless lavalier microphone unit. 450 quid it cost me, and I've not used them. I've used them today, and I've had them like 3 years. They're like super duper good. Where's my other one? It's metal, of course. It costs 450 quid. It's not gonna be metal, but I'm just setting up. I'm seeing, because me and Alex are meant to be making a podcast next week. I'm getting some ideas, some graphics, and all that sorted for it. I'm going to go to the gym at 3 today. So, yeah. But other than that, I don't think this lighting's too bad. Like, if I were to...
You already know what I've been on. You know where I be at. Cause men lie, women lie.
Look at the rain, Jesus. We've got 3 minutes to get there in this rain, like, and it's hilly. So, see? It's been like that all day, on and off, and it's on again. Chits Park for you. Alright. It is. Like, literally, it was just, like, listen to it. I had stopped! Wow. Like, I was just about to show you guys, it was like literally a hailstorm. There it is. That's what I wanted to hear. Yummy. Three, two, one. So, I'm going to end today's vlog off. I hope you did enjoy. The Marines, tips for Marines video will be up tonight, and then my, like, story sort of thing will be up on Saturday morning, as well as the vlog, so you'll get 2 videos in one day, so, twice, two videos in one day, 2 days in a row, yeah. But anyway guys, thank you for watching, hope you did enjoy. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, turn the notification on, notification bell, and I will see you tomorrow for another vlog. See you there. Bye.